Well, here's the front view of my house. I was scared of viewing. There's a car about to be underwater. Flooding. Fortunately, we've got all that way to go until my car gets underwater, the house. And you can see their house still has kind of a ways to go till the flooding impacts them. But yeah, it's a fucking lake, my friends. There's your mailbox. And sorry about the shitty video footage. The wind blowing me all over the fucking place, but yeah, we're fucking about to be flooded the fuck out. Back inside now, and obviously I'm gonna go dry myself off. This is not too friendly. Mother Nature's being a bitch, and fuck her. With something hard and sandpapery. I have a towel. There it is. And sorry. So time is 6:54, and we still have a shit ton of wind. I don't know if you can hear it in the house or not. Thank God you can only. Hopefully you don't hear it in the house. Hopefully, but so here we go outside again. So you see how the wind picked up? Oh fuck! I just fell down. And goddamn. All right, I'm back up. But yeah, fucking wind is crazy right now. Here's there's a sign that used to stand vertically, and a tree that fell down. His neighbor's house. There used to be a palm tree somewhere in there. It's gone. And she ain't looking good. Fell down. I guarantee it was to the wetness of the ground or the wind. It wasn't the beers I've had so far, which have only increased since each update, because I mean, what else are gonna do when you got this kind of shit to deal with? You know, what else can you do except drink and enjoy the show? Here's another view of the fucking road. What's left of it, rather. Yeah. Looks like Northport's fucked. So, see you guys when the water recedes, I reckon, or until this battery dies at least, anyway. So I'm gonna keep drinking, and until the drink is gone, or until I'm gone, keep making videos for you. Stay safe out there.